In a bustling forest, where trees towered high and sunlight dappled the ground, lived a diligent ant named Anthony. He was known for his hard work and meticulous nature, traits that made him respected by all. One day, Anthony fell victim to an unfortunate fate. A tragic accident took his life, leaving the forest in shock. The news spread like wildfire, and the forest creatures gathered to pay their respects. A solemn procession formed, with each creature taking a step forward to honor their fallen friend. The rabbit led, followed by the squirrel, the bird, and many more. Even the turtle, who was not known for his speed, made an effort to keep pace. At the head of the procession, the wise old owl spoke, "Let us remember Anthony, not for his untimely end, but for his exceptional life. His diligence, his kindness, and his unwavering spirit will never be forgotten." As they reached the burial site, the creatures paused in silent tribute. They threw soil onto Anthony's grave, symbolizing their shared grief and respect. The wind whispered through the trees, carrying their collective mourning. In the days that followed, the forest was quieter, a stark contrast to Anthony's usual busy hum. But slowly, life returned to normal. The birds sang, the squirrels scampered, and the rabbits hopped. Yet each gesture, each sound, was tinged with a hint of melancholy. One day, a new ant appeared. Small and timid, he introduced himself as Anthony's son, who had been away when his father passed. The forest creatures told him tales of his father, sharing the lessons he had learned. The young ant listened, tears in his eyes. He vowed to carry on his father's legacy, to work diligently, to be kind, and to live with an unwavering spirit. In the end, the forest learned a valuable lesson, that even in death, the memories we leave behind can inspire future generations. The ant funeral procession served as a reminder to cherish the lives of those who have passed and strive to live our own lives with dignity and purpose. Moral asterisk: cherish the memories of those who have passed and strive to live our own lives with dignity and purpose.